Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 16th, 2025, and we're diving into the third quarter earnings report of Commerce Bancshares. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Commerce Bancshares has just released their Q3 2025 earnings, and there's a lot to unpack, from their earnings per share to strategic initiatives like the upcoming merger with FineMark Holdings.
EPS and analyst forecast. Let's start with the earnings per share. Commerce Bancshares reported an EPS of $1.06 for the third quarter of 2025, which fell short of the analyst forecast of $1.09. John, what does this tell us about the company's performance?
While the EPS of $1.06 is slightly below the forecast, it's important to note that it still represents an increase from $1.01 in the same quarter last year. The net income for the quarter was $141.5 million, up from $138 million in Q3 2024. This indicates steady growth, albeit not at the pace analysts expected.
Revenue and profitability overview. Commerce Bancshares reported a total revenue of $440.97 million for the quarter. Can you break down the components of this revenue and what it means for the company's profitability?
Sure. The net interest income was $270 million, slightly down from the previous quarter, while non-interest income increased to $161.5 million. The efficiency ratio stood at 55.3%, indicating effective cost management. Despite a slight dip in net interest income, the company maintained strong profitability through disciplined expense management and robust fee income.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Operational efficiency seems to be a strong point for Commerce Bancshares. How are they managing their loan portfolio and credit quality?
Commerce Bancshares has maintained steady loan balances at $17.5 billion, with non-accrual loans at just 0.09% of total loans, reflecting excellent credit quality. They've also increased their allowance for credit losses to $175.7 million. Looking ahead, the merger with FineMark Holdings, expected to close in January 2026, is a strategic move that could enhance their market position.
CEO insights and strategic initiatives. CEO John Kemper highlighted some strategic initiatives in the earnings report. What are the key takeaways from his statements?
John Kemper emphasized the resilience of their diversified operating model and the dedication of their team. The return on average assets was 1.78%, and the return on average equity was 15.26%. The upcoming merger with FineMark is seen as a strategic milestone, expected to enhance their long-term strategies and shareholder value.
Key takeaways. In summary, Commerce Bancshares delivered a solid performance in Q3 2025, despite missing the EPS forecast. The strategic initiatives, including the FineMark merger, position them well for future growth. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure discussing Commerce Bancshares' performance. They are certainly a company to watch as they continue to execute their strategic plans.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Commerce Bancshares' performance in the comments below.